Hey everyone, Ethan is here and you're watching another marketing tips and tricks video. Welcome back to SEO Finder. In this video, we're going to revolve around email marketing for beginners. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Email marketing is a huge part of digital marketing these days, and for good reason. It lets you connect directly with your audience, promote your products or services, and ultimately grow your business. But where do you even start? Do not worry, we're gonna break it down for you step by step. First things first, you gotta understand what your target audience is all about. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests and pain points? Once you know that, you can craft email campaigns that resonates with them. Speaking of campaigns, you'll also need a list of people to send those emails to. This is where building an email list comes in. There are lots of ways to do this, like offering discounts or free resources on your website in exchange for someone's email address. Now, you don't want to just blast out generic emails to everyone on your list. That's where segmentation comes in. Basically, you divide your list into smaller groups based on things like interests or demographics. This way, you can send targeted emails that are more likely to get opened and clicked on. Of course, you also need a platform to send those emails from. There are a bunch of different email marketing platforms out there like Constant Contact or MailChimp. They all offer different features, so find one that fits your needs and budget. Once you've got the technical stuff figured out, it's time to focus on the content of your emails. You want to create emails that are valuable and engaging for your subscribers. Make sure to use helpful tips, interesting stories, or exclusive content they can't find anywhere else. And don't forget about design. People are more likely to open and read emails that look good. Most email marketing platforms offer templates you can customize to match your brand. But your emails won't do any good if nobody opens them. That's why your subject line is so important. It's the first thing people see, so make it catchy and attention-grabbing. Now, you can't just set it and forget it. You need to track the performance of your email campaigns. See how many people are opening your emails, clicking on your links, and taking action. This data will help you figure out what's working and what's not, so you can keep improving your campaigns over time. Email marketing is a powerful tool that can help you reach your target audience and grow your business. But it's important to remember that it's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, keep experimenting, and you'll see the results. Now, this guide just scratches the surface of email marketing for beginners. There's a whole lot more to learn, but hopefully this gives you a good starting point. You can check out the related article on our website by clicking on its link in the video description down below. So do not hesitate, start building your email list and get ready to connect with your audience in a whole new way. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching.